Hi, I'm Renee, and I want to tell my story about my weight loss. I work at the Victory Family YMCA in Yorktown, and I am a certified wellness coach there, and I teach Zumba. But my story comes from the fact that my daughter got married in October of 2017, and I had my mother of the bride dress, which I had bought in August. And so I decided about 3 weeks before the wedding that I was going to try it on again. My husband helped me to zip up my dress, but when he zipped it up, he had to force it, and the zipper broke. And so that became a disaster. Found a good person to take it to. She knew that she could fix the zipper, but she wasn't for sure that she could fix it so that it would fit. And so she agreed that she could fix it. But when I walked away, I still felt like that maybe I did have some work to do. Maybe I had gained some weight and I was unaware. So I still didn't get on the scale when I got home. But I really felt like something was not right. So I contacted my best friend Arlene, who works here also. And she told me about Dr. Clark's shakes and told me to come on in. That I would have to get on the scale. And of course, I didn't want to get on the scale. And she said, well, if you don't get on the scale, then you don't have a starting place. So I agreed when I got here that I would get on the scale. And so I did. And I was very shocked that I weighed 150 pounds. For somebody that's 5'2", that's, I already knew by what I do at the Y, being a certified wellness coach, that was weighing too much. Each time I gave birth to a child, I weighed 141. So I certainly knew I wasn't pregnant, so I knew something was not right. Arlene told me about the shakes, and I agreed that I would drink 2 shakes a day, that I would change my diet. My husband and I had already embarked on the lower carb diet because he was diagnosed as a type 2 diabetic in July of 2016. So we learned that diabetes is all about carbs. So we had to go on the lower carb diet. So we both had done that. But I believe that I was stress eating while I was planning my daughter's wedding. I met with Arlene. She gave me the advice, gave me suggestions about, the meals and what to eat. And she told me not to get on the scale for 2 weeks because I was already stressing over the end time of the wedding. 2 weeks happened to be rehearsal dinner day. And so I got on the scale and I had already lost 10 pounds. So that made me very happy and very motivated to know that I could continue. My first goal was only 15, but I have lost 20 pounds total, and I have gained muscle mass, and I have lost body fat. So everything has worked the way that I hoped it would. I've changed my exercise. I do some different things for exercise now. All of the things combined together have definitely helped me. I would say that definitely the shakes have helped because it keeps me on track. I'm able to drink 1 for breakfast. That helps a lot, that I can just grab the shake and make it at work and drink it before I teach class. And then have a snack in the afternoon and a sensible meal with my husband. And we both stay on track and everything has worked. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Chocolate is the best. I've tried the vanilla also. Chocolate is the best. And mix it with a little PB2. And it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Can't get any better than that.